Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make your own backgrounds using the episode backgrounds provided. I'll be using Photoshop, but many of you won't be able to get Photoshop, so there is a similar program called GIMP. I haven't tried it, but yes, I've heard it's good. So first, choose the background you want by going to episodeinteractive.com. It doesn't really matter which background you choose. It depends on what you want to do with it, really. I've just chosen this one. And all you have to do is right click on it, depending on which computer you're using, it will be different, or which browser. But just to save as, and it should pop up down here, and then go into Finder, as I have a Mac, and it should be in here. So and there it is. So then just open it in your program. It just takes a little while to load. There we are. And now you need to choose your accessories, what you want to put on the background. Now, obviously, you've got the episode overlays that are already available to you, but you don't really see any beds. I want to make this into a bedroom, so unless I want to put a car in it, episode's not really going to help me. So I'm going to have to make my own. Now, I can't just shove this on here. So what I have to do is I have to open this in a new tab, and I will have to cut out the bed. Now, just how you do this is, as well as on GIMP, there is this thing called a polygonal lasso tool. I think that's how you pronounce it. And pretty much all you do is just go around. Now, this may take a while, so I'm just going to skip over this part and fast forward right now. So just before I finish up, I just want to show you here that because this little box here is outside of the bed, you need to add it on unless you want to do some serious removing, and that's just too hard to go into. So you will just have to go around it. Otherwise, there'll be this random half box. And then you just connect it and it should come up like this. So now what you do is you copy it because I'm on Mac, it's Command C, and then Command V. You paste. And voila, you have your bed. Now, it may not be perfect, don't worry. That's okay. You'll get better as you go. Depending on how complex the shape you are cutting out, the longer it will take. Now, what I do here is I save it. So you can just go like this. Save as. I'm just going to call it pink bed. Save it as a PNG. Do not save it as a JPEG. Otherwise, the outside would be white and you'd have to do it all over again. Save. Okay. So now we go back to our original room. And we'll save to. And we add this. Okay, I don't really want it like this. So for this, I just go to transform and flip horizontal. Voila. Now you can tweak it, make it look more like it's in the space, but you can also, sometimes it just fits perfectly as it is. So yeah, and then you just place. There we go, have a bedroom. You can add shadow if you want, make it look more realistic. It's easy to do like this. Just little things that make it more look like it's really in the picture. You can add other things, potted plants, whatever you want really. I don't think we need that quite big, but there we go. Make it your own, the possibilities are endless. Well, kind of depends. Yeah, you can use whatever you can find on episode backgrounds, pretty much, or wherever else you want to go. I mostly use episode backgrounds or stuff that I've made completely from scratch. Anyway, I hope this helped. So, yeah, bye. Hey guys, so remember to follow me on my Instagram at sharn.episode, and if you have any questions, just email at bintangvw13052@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, listening, both, and see you later. Bye!